today's video is all about how to exercise around knee pain with knee pain. But I've got to put the caveat out there that if you have an injury and you're unsure what's going on, right? Because it could be a meniscus tear, it could be your ACL, it could be patellar tendonitis. There's a lot that's going on with that joint. Go to the doctor. Honestly, don't let it sit. Just go to the doctor and get it diagnosed. And I get a ton of questions about this. And not only am I not an orthopedic surgeon, an orthopedic surgeon would give you an x-ray and even possibly an MRI to determine what's going on. And then they would send you to a physical therapist who specializes in rehabilitating that injury, whether or not you've had to have surgery on the knee. So I'm not trying to scare you or stress you out. I'm just trying to be responsible and tell you that if there's an issue with that knee that seems pretty significant, go get it checked out. Get it checked out. And this way you can be really proactive about what's going on. Now, can you work out whether we know what's going on or not? Yes. I mean, let's think of all the things we can do. You know this most likely. We can friggin' bike. We can swim. We can row. And if it hurts your knees when you're bending, right, to lean forward, put your feet on the ground and row. You can do battle ropes. You can shadow box. You can do upper body resistance training, push-ups, pull-ups, pull-downs, rows, bicep curls, tricep extensions, shoulder presses, planks, and the list goes on. Basically anything where you're not bending that knee, you can get around it. Tons of stuff, all the stuff I just mentioned, okay? Now, what do you do if you want to hit that lower body? Is it perfect? No, the stuff I'm going to show you isn't perfect, but it's safe, and it's a heck of a lot better than nothing. So as long as we're keeping that leg straight, you got a ton of options. Lay down on your side. We're going to our old school Jane Fonda. Leg raises, right? Right here. Nothing. Like it's nothing. We come over here. Leg lifts. Works the glutes, right? And if it doesn't bother you, little bend in the knee and little fire hydrants. Also, boom. Fire hydrants. Yes, dog peeing in a fire hydrant. I'm very classy. Works the glutes. Inner thighs. You can come right here. Leg raises. Little movements, real small. You can even lay down if it's bothering you and extend the leg and lift up, just like that. On your back, right here, guys. Extend that foot and up and in, knee to knee, inner thigh. So there's a lot you can do. It's not gonna be a lunge or a squat, but there's a lot you can do. Last but not least, if you're noticing that your knees are bothering you while you're exercising, you have no knee pain, any other time, you can't pinpoint any specific injury, you haven't been diagnosed with anything, but when you do your lunges or when you do your squats, your knees are bothering you, it's most likely because your form is wrong. And it would seem really simple to squat or lunge, but it isn't. So I want you to watch both my videos on proper lunging form and proper squatting form, because that is going to make a massive difference, not just for your knees, but also for your low back. So subscribe, click, like, watch those other videos, comment, do all that YouTube stuff. For more fitness advice, nutrition guidelines, and overall health and wellness information, click, like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you want to hear, see, know more of, engage with me.